Hi friends and welcome back to TriniKidsTV. My name is Auntie Shade and it's so nice of you to join us today. So let's all get started by singing the good morning song. Good morning, good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. Good morning, good morning, how are you? Good morning, it's nice to see you too. And a very good morning to all our friends that are watching. Now, do we all know what day it is today, friends? Yes, it's Thursday. Very good, friends. Today is Thursday. Today is Thursday. All day long, all day long. And we are in the month of February. Now, can we say the days of the week and say the months of the year? All right, let's say the months first. The months of the year are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. Now, my friends, let's sing the 7 days song. There are 7 days, there are 7 days, there are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Wonderful friends. Now it's time we find out about the weather for today. Let's sing the weather song. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today, today? What's the weather like? What's the weather like? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it windy? Is it cloudy? What's the weather like today? Now we can take a look out the window and see what kind of weather we are having today. Well, where Auntie is right now, it's a sunny day today. Wonderful. Now, my friends, let's find out about our shape of the day today. Our shape of the day today is a star. Now, let's find out about the color of the day for today. Our color of the day today is the color purple. Yes, and purple is a beautiful color, right? Now, our number of the day today is the number 1. 1 is our number of the day. Very good. Take a look at the letter of the day. Our letter of the day today is C. C for coconut. C for cookie. C for chair. C. Now that we know our letter of the day, let's talk about our area of the day today. Now, my friends, let's jump in our boat or take a plane and sail to our area of the day. Take a look, friends. Our area of the day is Chile. Chile is a country located in South America, and it's a very long and narrow country. It has lots of beautiful places to visit, as well as lovely mountains and open fields. It's a beautiful place, Chile. Yes, we have a beautiful area of the day today, right? Yes. Doesn't it make you want to visit lots of places? Wonderful. Well, we are almost at the end of the school week, and since today is Thursday, let's take a look at our lesson for today. Our activity for today is pairing or cleaning products. Take a look at these cleaning products and tell me which ones go together. Let's look at these gloves. What do the gloves go with? That's right, a spray bottle. What about the vacuum? Vacuums are meant to clean dust. What do the vacuums go with? Yes, the duster. How about the broom? What does the broom go with? Yes, the dustpan. Very good. And what about the mop? What does the mop go with? That's right, the mop bucket. And I'm sure you can find lots of items home that you can use to clean your house and various places. And I'll see you tomorrow, friends. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.